Raspberry Pi 3. Let me show you in this video how to get OSMC running KODI 17, right?
Right, because that is open source media center for Raspberry Pi 3.
Right now. How are you doing, everyone? Once again, this is Dario from MediaBox, this great channel, and today I'm going to show, if you have one of this Raspberry Pi, I'm going to show you how to install OSMC running KODI 17. Yes, simple installation. To remind you, if this is the first time you are a MediaBoxEnt, subscribe to the channel, hit the super bell right there, hit the bell notification so you'll be the first to get my videos. Yes, and like I said to you, I'm going to show you how nice it is. And maybe in half an hour, you're going to have this Raspberry Pi 3 running beautiful, running KODI, simple. Anyone can do it. The only requirements is a PC, a Unix, a Mac to do installation. Memory 16 gigabytes, that's what we're going to use in this video. And I'm going to show you right now has been done here. Okay, minimize myself up. Okay, and this is what we need to go here. We need to go into the website. Okay. And we're going to be downloading the software. Okay, so we're going to go into downloads. Okay, for the purpose of this video, we're going to be working on Windows. Okay, but you can work in OS, or you can do it like Linux or Windows. Okay, so we're going to be clicking here. As you see, you can do Apple TV. I'm going to show you. So we're going to click and we're going to download the file. I already did. Okay, I already downloaded the file. So after we download the file, all right, let me swap the screens. Let me take that out. And let me show you. Oh, I forgot to actually... I forgot to actually show desktop screen. All right, so let me set up that out. I need to capture the screen so you guys can see that. Okay, Manador. And let me see. Select the screen, full screen now. Hold on, guys. And yeah. So if you get to do this, huh? Oh, all right, good. All right. All right. Okay, I think we got it now. All right. Okay, right over there. So the first thing we need to do, we need to download the file, and this actually is a zip file. Okay, so I'm gonna go into uncompress this. Okay, so let me do it right. Like what I press. Okay, let me uncompress this file. Okay, I'm gonna extract it right over here. Okay, so we're gonna click on it. Hold on, I gotta minimize. It tries to open the whole screen, and we're gonna execute the file. Okay, and this is the welcome screen we get. Okay, so now to install this, okay, we're gonna select first English only. Okay, you know the language here. Okay, and now where you want to install it. As we see, we got different ways to install it. Okay, the VO2, we have Raspberry Pi 1.0. Raspberry Pi 3 or an Apple TV. For the purpose of this video, we're going to be doing a Raspberry Pi 2 and 3 the same. I mean, I'm using Raspberry Pi 3. Okay, we're going to click next. I think I forgot to put English. Yes. Click next. All right. Latest version. Okay, it's going to download the latest version. We're going to click there. Okay. We click next. And if you're going to be on the Raspberry Pi, you need to put a micro SD card. So what I did here, right, let me see if I can show you. It's going to be hard. Well, I put a micro SD card. Okay. Let me see if I swap cameras. Okay. Right over here, okay, I put my micro SD card. Okay. Let's go back to the software. All right. Oh, we got the software now. Okay, right there. Okay, so and we're gonna go. In this case, we need to go in SD card because we're gonna go to the Raspberry Pi. If you're gonna be on the Apple TV, then you gotta use different. Okay, I'm sure it will be the USB stick. So we're gonna click next, and here you set up anywhere you want to connect it, wireless, okay, or wire. If it's wireless, okay, you need to set up your network. Okay, definitely I don't think will be open. Most likely will be this one, and you have to know the name of your network and the password. In my case, I'm gonna go with wire. Make it simple for me. I'm gonna go next. Already detect the card is a 16 gigabyte. If you want to put high, you can put high for the purpose of this test. I'm gonna use a 16 gig. Okay, you can always refresh. I'm gonna click next. I accept that. Okay, that's it. Okay, so the next one, I guess it says if I'm sure I want to install the OSMC. So we're gonna say yes. Okay. And okay, so now it's running the device. So I guess what I did before, because I was kind of far and I didn't see it, was downloading the latest image. So now is writing the image to the device. So the first process we saw that was downloading the latest version, and now doing the installation. So it did pretty fast. That's it. Congratulations, already installed as we see here in the background. Quit. Hey, done. All right. So let's go and let's swap the screens here. All right, let's see. We boot up for the first time. Okay. Let's see what's going on. Guys, as you see, I see it for me for the first time. This thing is actually, let's see what happened. If anything happened. Oh, yeah. Oh, for more data. Okay. Okay.
It says no signal, okay?
No. You see it right in the TV what's going on.
Oh, the TV is OSM. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
TV, I've not tried that yet. This is actually the first time I'm trying installing KODI, the open source media player on the Raspberry Pi 3. Okay, we got it right over here. She's killing us. All right, so we see the first time this thing booting up. Okay, then the Raspberry Pi 3, the OSM player. Okay, it's not pretty fast. I mean, less than 30 seconds. Right there. All right, so let's see what we see here. We're running this for the first time on Raspberry Pi 3. So here we set up the language. Yes. Right, set English. We hit OK. Can I put this? Yes. All right, now we got it. All right. So we get English. We hit OK there. Yes, confirm. So we see the configuration. We go on the Raspberry Pi 3. Okay. Oh, America. Whatever. Doesn't matter. We're gonna choose that. All right.
Make sure you choose like the language that we know. Okay.
No, that's the language. That was the time. I choose. We're not gonna spend any time. Okay, we can choose the name on this, so we're gonna leave it the name, or we can call it whatever you want to call, but we're gonna leave it as a default. Guys, I'm trying this the first time as we go on this live. Okay, let me see. Oh, random name. You can choose that and choose a name for you. Well, we leave it that. We're set. Okay. Oh, SSH enable. That will be good. So you can use the terminal in again SSH. Oh, disable. Sorry. Well, okay, we can always come back and.
Yes, it was my mom. She just fixed it.
Oh, okay. So it's disabled. Let's click again. That's enable. We accept that. Yes. Continue. All right. Yeah, we got KODI running now. KODI, yes, it's even KODI 17 Classic. Oh, so you can run the OCM version, or you can run the Classic version. What we want, guys? Let's try it. Let's try the Classic that we know. All right. Are you sure? Let me see. Oh, you want me to sign up? No, I'm going to do that now. Okay. So I guess we have to exit. Oh, this is configuration. So we did that. Let's exit. Oh, they lead me back to the... Okay. Let's wait. Oh. Perfect. That's it. Yeah, and here I guess you can change configurations. But I got to show you a few things if you guys... And here we can... look. We can actually... Here we can configure the Raspberry Pi 3. Yeah, we can change displays. We can do a lot of changes here. You can use your Bluetooth. Enable the Bluetooth device. Okay. I guess here's the boot up screen of the... Oh, yeah, we can change a lot of the stuff on it. All right. Oh, network. Yeah. Nice. Okay, even your own backups, updates, scheduling. Okay. Here. Oh, overclocking. Can we overclock? Yeah, allows you to overclock. Look, we can go to... Can we go turbo mode? Yeah. Why not? Let's go turbo mode. Let's turbo the sucker. I guess some store. You can buy stuff. And let me see. Oh, network settings. Oh, yeah. Well, we see that right over here. We activate. As we see, we activate the Bluetooth device. Nice. Even it has a secure server. Okay. I'm doing this the first time, guys. Okay. Again, share. Bluetooth terrain. Nice. We can actually activate my Bluetooth device. Let's try that. Let's try one of the keyboards. I have a Bluetooth device. So let's see if I find it. Okay. I don't know if it needs to be turned on. It should be able. Oh, okay. Enable Bluetooth device. Okay, start scanning. All right. Yeah. Hey, find it. Guess it's that one. Let's try. Let's see what it is. I don't know what it is, but it's something. I'm not sure. Maybe it can be a phone.
What? Internet?
No, that's well, we do that later on, but definitely find it. That can be the Bluetooth, all these devices. I think that's a table. That's actually this table. It has a Bluetooth style table, so you can control it. It should show keyboard there, because I think the other ones are not. All right, but it's working. We're not gonna install that right now, but it's working.
You typed it.
That's okay. Yeah, I know.
Because that's not how you spell. I knew it.
Yeah.
It's
It's with the Ubuntu. Yes.
Ubuntu.
And here we are enabled with wireless wire with the way we are connected. All right, so and let's see, remote. Oh, look, you can use the Apple Silver remote in the different type. Man, check this out, guys. I mean, look, all these type of the remotes you can actually activate already.
Wait, one of the remotes, isn't it like the cable vision or something like that? The
The
one that is like round in the middle.
Let me see.
Yeah, one back. Oh, it looked like it. Oh, I don't know.
No, it looks like it. Well, some of this, I'm sure they are not Bluetooth though. Let me see. Oh, that's the 360 remote control. They still sell that one? That's an old remote control. 360 Xbox. Oh, the Xbox One. You can use Xbox One. Yeah. Wow. Samsung TV. Yes. Look. Philips. Oh, this is the own remote control if you want to buy. Yeah. Oh, you can use like again. You can use one of these things. It works perfect. Super how nice it is. I'm trying this. It's the first time. Now, I want to tell you something else here, and you guys will choose if you guys want this. Let me see display. Okay, this is the code: CPU, memory code, and license. Okay, you see here these two licenses. Well, what happened? And let me swap the screens for a minute, okay? And let's go there. If you really want to decompress the movie, use MPG for a lot of the movies, it's going to use the basics. So you need to buy the license, and you need to buy it from Raspberry Pi. I did by myself. I sent a few emails. For some reason, I gotta go back and see it. It's pretty cheap, but they never send me actually the code. I have to send you a key code. And I'm gonna swap the screens, okay? And I'm gonna show you. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, but the problem is here. And I'll show you the cost if you guys want. It still works, but maybe it's a little slow. Okay, there's some people they don't put the code, so the compression is not a full compression. Maybe it works a little slow. But if you guys want to use Raspberry Pi and you really like it the way it is, then you will buy the key. We have to try the key without the key. For me, I bought it. It's like £1. It's like $2. They never sent me an email. I have to see why that happened. So let's go back here so I can show you right now on the other screens right over here. All right, and let me minimize myself out. And this is what I'm talking about. You need the MPEG 2 license key. Okay, as we see here, I think £2 and 40 cents. And we talk about dollar. I think a dollar. What is it? $1.55. I'm not sure. $1.55 per pound. So we talk about $4. Okay, so you need the MPEG license if you want full decode, if you want to see nice and smooth. I did try without the code and it works fine. And then you need to buy the second one, okay? The BC1 license key, and it's only £1 and $1.20. So it will be the what? $1. I think it's $1.67 or something that way. And you buy the two keys. And then here they show you how to get the key here, and then you paste it. The way to do in this case, when you get the key in email, they never send it. Damn it, these guys. I don't know why they never send me the key. I should go back and see why. But after you get the key, if you ever get it, okay, you get it in. It says it takes like 72 hours. I think it's somewhere it says here. Hold on. Takes like 70 crazy, like 2-3 days to send you the key. I don't understand why. Okay, so then if I go and let me swipe the screens again. Let me go back to the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so we are right over there. Open my screen. So if we are right there, okay, here we enter the two license. Okay, then pick license. Okay, and they see one. And that's it. That's the only thing. You clap OK and you activate it, okay? And that will be it. That's the only thing that requires you guys to do. Besides this point, now you choose any items you want. I will give you one that is worth it to have. And we're gonna make this thing a little faster and better, okay? Then you can input any items you guys want to be. So we're gonna go into first. One thing we need to go, we're gonna go here, and if you guys want to put any items that are third-party items, not the ones that Kodi recommends, we're gonna go into settings. Right in settings, we're gonna go and write in items and opens. Oh, it's already activated. Look, by default it's already done. I was not sure. Okay, it's already done. So then we're gonna go into the wheel. Right in the wheel, file manager, we're gonna source. Right over there, we're gonna press this. .com. Yeah, we got it. I think we got it this time. Okay. Hack. Kodi, whatever. You guys can call whatever you want. Okay, so let's go back again. At that point, we go down to errands, and errand we go to the special box right there, and let's go from zip, hack my Kodi, yes. Let's go to program errands, right in program errands, system settings. We're gonna go into advanced settings, my friends, right over there. We wait a little bit, okay, should pop up there. We wait, okay. So this is nice. So we got running this on the, we got this running the Raspberry Pi 3. Simple, dumb. The only requirement is Windows. I use a Windows. If you guys got a Mac, you can use a Mac. If you got a Unix machine, you can use a Unix machine. Okay. So we got right over there. Now I want this thing. I want Kodi to run nice and beautiful. Okay. So my errands, config, right over there. We click Edge settings. Okay, and then we're gonna go all the way down to network, and I gotta look my notes now because I don't have my notes. Okay, nice. Always forgot to do that. And then right over there, network. And right in network. Okay. Buffer factor. All right. We're going to type 4. Okay. Right there. We wait. Then buffer mode. The number 1. Okay. So we're going to make this sound real nice. So if you guys planning to run any IPTV live event, it's going to be nice. So buffer. Plus this is a nice machine. So it's going to run real nice. And the next one we need to put the buffer size. All right. So we're going to delete that. And you need to give me a second because I forgot to get the notes. So let me get my notes. Okay, so this is the matching number 4194 30. Okay, 300, and that will be it. At that point, we go down, we hit OK,
I'm going down.
and then all right. Now, guys, do not quit. We're gonna need to go up to the main menu again. Okay, we need to go up a little bit. We go up a little. We need to write the file. Okay, and that's it. We're going to write the XML file. We hit there. And that's it. All right. Okay. And right there. That will be it. Yeah. So, guys, that was pretty nice and simple. So, at this point now, what you got to do, you got to reset your Raspberry Pi. So that will take the change. And that change, what I did now to you is make it a little faster. If you run in IPTV and you get the buffer size, it will help you. I don't say, oh, that is going to help 100%, but at least it will get in 50% improvement to that. As you see, it was pretty simple. Okay, there are many settings we need to go through, but see, we can use a bunch of different remote controls. We can use a bunch of things. It was simple. It only took about maybe half an hour to install the whole thing. I did it the first time just online. I just did it, you know, what I mean. Normally, what we do, we tried this before, but I said, well, why not? We just do it, and it works.
And hope
beautiful.
for the best.
Yeah, that's what it did. Hope for the best. All right, guys, so what do you think? That was beautiful. I'm sure you're going to be running 1,000 of this all over the house. Give it to you. Why not? It's a good gift. Bring some of this. It's a good gift. By the way, now it's Father's Day coming in, so that's a good thing to give to your father, a good gift.
Coming up.
It's coming up soon, yes, in this month. Worldwide, by the way. So, Raspberry Pi 3 is a good gift. You give it to the father. Already, code installation. You can watch a bunch of sports and all the stuff. So, you follow my videos. You'll be done and beautiful. And that's it. So, leave a comment. Let me know how the thing went. And I see you next time. Bye. You did it perfect. How we doing, everyone? Once again, this is Dario from MediaBoxEnt, this great channel. And like I said, today we're going to do what?
You're gonna do the open box for the Raspberry Pi 3, which
We're not doing an open box.
Oh no?
No, installation.
Oh wait.